Hey guys, I want to give you a quick video to walk through the GCF and LCM algorithm one more time. So in this case, we're trying to find both the greatest common factor and the least common multiple of 18 and 24. In this algorithm, we're going to set up by starting with our two numbers, 18 and 24. My next step is to try to figure out what they have in common as far as factors. What are the both numbers divisible by? In this case, 18 and 24 are both even numbers, so we can take a 2 out. If I divide 18 by 2, I get 9. And if I divide 24 by 2, I get 12. Again, we ask the question, with 9 and 12 now, is there anything in common that are factors of both terms? In this case, we can take a 3 out of both terms. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Asking our question again, we realize that 3 and 4 are what's known as relatively prime, meaning that there are no factors in common, 3 being a prime number, and 4 only having 1, 2, and 4. And so we're done. The next step of this algorithm is now to find the greatest common factor and the least common multiple. If you remember, the greatest common factor is going to be on this line, and the least common multiple will be the L shape for least. So I'll start with my greatest common factor. That is going to be 2 times 3. So my greatest common factor is 6. And my least common multiple is following the L shape in green, which is going to be 2 times 3 times 3 times 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 4 is 72. So my least common multiple equals 72. Let's try one more. In this case, we have 40 and 15. 40 and 15 are both divisible by 5, so I take a 5 out. I'm left with 8 and 3. Again, our least common multiple is going to be the L shape, and our greatest common factor will be just the straight down line. So in this case, our greatest common factor is going to be 5. And our least common multiple is going to be 5 times 8 times 3. In that case, our least common multiple, 5 times 8 is 40. 40 times 3 is 120. So there are our two.